Good morning to the respected principal, vice principal, coordinator, teachers, seniors and my dear friends. It's me Aashika Chaudhary representing grade 6 to deliver a short presentation on a topic health. Health is one of the most important part of our life, being energetic but also having a peaceful and happy mind. To stay healthy, we should eat balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables and clean water. Doing regular exercise like walking, running or playing sports makes our body fit and fine. Getting enough sleep is also important for our body because it helps our body to rest and recover. In today's busy world, many people often eat junk food and forget to take care about their health. This can cause tiredness, illness, and some serious mental health. At last, I would like to take care of your health